Just outside taking pictures. Let's do a little video here for a minute. On the digital camera, it's just easier than the other cameras right now. This is there it goes. I don't know what it just did, but yeah, this is where I was standing when I took the other picture. This is not drift. You can see that this is not drift. That's drift over here. And there's drift over there. This is not drift. This is, and you can see right where I am, right where I'm walking. I mean, this is not drift. This is up to my knees. This is crazy, right? Wow. Get to look at that. But I'm gonna walk around here to the other side of the house. There's already a little bit of packed snow underneath this too, so you get a little spots that are actually not that bad, and it looks like we don't have a lot of snow, but that's where the snow has been picked up and drifted elsewhere. Probably at least 4 or 5 feet. This is from the snowplow plowing the driveway this morning. This is basically taller than me right now, and I'm about 5'7". From a snowplow plowing the driveway. You see the neighbor area. This is the driveway, obviously. The front of the house. That's the mailbox. Or what you can see of it. You see, it's really drifted up with snow hard. You can't really tell, but right here, let me see if I can get in here and show you. It's hard to see it. See these little marks here? That's the top of a fence. It's probably about, I don't know, 1.5 or 2 feet. So the snow's drifted up against it, and there's just enough snow that's fallen that's completely covered up. The road's terrible. This is a private road, so it doesn't get taken care of very well, but I can't imagine the other roads are very good right now. And it is cold. Wind is the fake thing. It's still snowing right now too. Lake effect snow, things like that right now. So yeah, this is it. I might get some more stuff up later, but this is it for now.